Welcome to Angkor Wat.
Yeah, welcome to Angkor Wat. Now we are in front of Angkor with 250 meter long, and this also represent the bridge that connect from the universe to the heaven. Land Mountain. It's 60 kilometers from here. So we use 6,000 elephants to move the stone
Wow.
to Land Mountain to here. Naga and Lion temple bodyguard. When the bad spirit come, that Naga and Lion.
Angkor Wat, Siem Reap, Cambodia.
Sunday.
We here.
Yeah, if we look into that room, that's why mostly people we run Kung Cham province, Kung Thong or some place. Thailand stole some part of the body.
Huh.
Then 8 arms stole.
Wow.
Yeah. And over there, in total 4. The middle cover of the temple, one from one direction. 4. The wall
That's the flag over there.
1.5 kilometers by 1.3 kilometers. So this area about 200 kilometers. Sorry, 200 hectares. The area 200 hectares. And the
beautiful.
temple in the middle.
Angkor Wat, Siem Reap, Cambodia. Okay.
Background Angkor Wat temple.
Yeah, by spot of photo here. You see, what this we believe our God stay at highest place of the world. The Everest Mountain. Everest Mountain it has 8,848 meters high. And in year 2003, there was our young boy với một con rồi hai thấp vì Samsung năm á, về là Samsung nó Samsung năm, dù đại,ហើយអ្នកដែលកសាងឈ្មោះថា King Surya Varmanpu បាទ Surya mean the sun, so the god.
So yeah, the kind. Oh, I didn't know that. So
That's why
King Sun God.
yeah, son of God. That's why he focus on Sarit.
That's a library
Sometimes they fall in love during
for female and male.
15 years old.
Cool. So I'm gonna end the video here. Alright, this is I'm gonna. Peace out. Welcome to Angkor Wat.